Okay. So we were on the point of the how the Scrum and what is into the Scrum. We know till now we know what is Agile, what is the Scrum, what is the value, what is the principle, what is the product backlog, and all these things. Even though we knows that who is the product owner, how they interact with other these things.
Product backlog से क्या मतलब?
Product backlog is a collections of tasks.
हो नहीं पाई है.
Again say so much.
जो चीजें पहले हो जानी चाहिए थी.
हाँ.
I was knowing about it. मतलब मेरे को करना था ये चीजें. मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट ऑनर के दिमाग में था, लेकिन अभी तक नहीं हो पाई तो बैकलॉग.
Yes, but not like that. Product backlog means the collections of all the tasks which need to do. Like if today is the sprint planning meeting, so the product backlog, same product backlog will become, and on the prioritized base. Means उसमें जो सभी
So any new feature or new enhancement.
whatever the feature, you do will come into the product backlog. But
Task to be done.
yes, task to be done. And whatever it will come, it's in prioritized base. So those we need to do first. It will be the top priority, like 1, 2, 3. Understand the same like Vertex is giving the sprint priority देते हैं ना?
Generally मैं देखता हूँ जैसे अभी मेरे पास 20 something something 2000 something चल रहा है और जब भी पुराना 501 506 ऐसे करके टास्क आता है तो प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग की तरह.
हाँ वो क्या होता है ना एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस कि जैसे प्रोडक्ट ऑनर या फिर बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स या बिजनेस पीपल्स मिलकर जो प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग बनाते हैं ना तो वो देखते हैं कि प्रायोरिटाइजिंग उनको लगता है कि अच्छा ये 2 दिन 3 दिन मतलब 2 weeks 3 weeks आफ्टर 2 or 3 sprints से thought that or better to put this task low priority. So वो लो प्रायोरिटी माइट भी कि वो पुराना टास्क हो लेकिन वो लो प्रायोरिटी कारण अभी तक नहीं हुआ हो तो वो भी उसी में रहेगा. बट जो करना है हमें वट एवर वी नीड टू डू दैट वुड बी द टॉप प्रायोरिटी. समझ वही प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग कलेक्शंस ऑफ ऑल द टास्क जो कि नहीं हुआ है. वंस इट विल डन वैलिडेटेड रिव्यूड it will be removed from the product backlog. So now we have only 3 roles and surprisingly there is no any manager in a Scrum. Even in Agile there is no any manager. You can't see any manager role. Is any manager apart from you? Absos, maybe नहीं. So 3 roles is one is the Scrum Master, another is the product owner and the team. We'll start from the product owner first. How the thing is working for the product owner? Who is the product owner? The guys who is having the well-versed knowledge of the business, of the client side. They might be possible from the client side or from the developer side. Like any guys from the Comdel Ajit. Ajit might be having the good knowledge of the DG photo. Maybe possible it is DG photo will say, as it having the good business knowledge, I am understanding. So better to give some ideas to product owner of the Ajit, and Ajit will be now the product owner from the Comdel. What he will work behalf of the DG photo. Means it's not necessary that all the time product owner will be from the client side. It might be possibility in some cases product owner from the offshore also. But the guys who is the product owner having the well-versed knowledge of the business. It's not a point like it says no, I don't know what is the task item. He never can say. If he is in the Agile methodology, he can't say. Either until or unless he have to define, he have to get the clarification from the others, he have to do one thing, product owner. So guys who is having the well-versed knowledge of the product, he will write down, note down all the tasks in a white, in his sheet, not in whiteboard, like this manner. Serial number, task, some remarks, and prioritization. Priority like 1 something something and priority 1 2 3 5 4 this type of thing. So this priority is changing by the product owner and he is doing the changing as per market, as per their requirement, as per their understanding on with the business analytics. Might be possibility sometimes this priority is 5 and he needs to do this job in a high priority, he will change to 1. This priority is 2 is the higher priority, second higher priority. Maybe possibility is the next sprint, this task doesn't matter. He can remove this priority up to the 10 or 20. So he will lower the priority of the task. So next sprint this task won't become. How they are doing? The whole process the prioritization, doing the task prioritization by the product owner is known as grooming. Grooming is a keyword.
So is there any limit for priority like 1 to 20, 1 to 50?
No, not like that. If you have the 100, you can put the 100. There is no any limit. It's totally based upon you. Means if you are the product owner, it's totally based upon you. How do you want to do the priority numbering? If you want, you can put in 100 also. That doesn't matter. But you are understanding, you are from the business side. So if once you are understanding these things, you can say that team, oh, it's a 100 number of the priority, 100 in the priority base, so no need to do this. Just select top one. And we are the Scrum developer. In every sprint planning meeting, we have to select only top one. It will come. Now, yes, Manish.
Only the product owner has that particular responsibility to change the priority of the issues, or anybody in the team can change the priority of the issues.
Anybody in the team can't change the priority of the
As
team.
per the discussion in the Scrum meeting.
As per the discussion in the Scrum meeting, we are not going to describe the priority. In a sprint planning, we are not. Before that, when the product owner is doing the prioritization, grooming, based upon him, he might be include, most cases a Scrum Master is included with him. But if he want, or better to keep some Scrum developer team also, he can put the Scrum team also. That is a different part. But once the defined and he is in a sprint planning, no any chances to do that grooming, do the prioritization change until or unless the task who is in the top priority and not able to do. Might be possible the spike fail, so their priority will be changed. They will think about the reprioritization of that.
So it means that the product owner,
Hmm.
along with the Scrum Master, has got the ability to define the priorities of the issues. And once those priorities are being defined, then we will be following the sprint. And once the sprint is closed, then again the prioritization will be done by the product.
Yes, of course. Every time, who is the main role of the product owner is the grooming the product backlog. Okay. Another is the Scrum Master. Another main role of the Scrum team. A Scrum Master is the slave of a Scrum team. We can say like Gulam. Hasi aa rahi na? So really, a Scrum Master is the guy who is having totally facilitating with you. If you are the Scrum developer, and who is the Scrum team, like Manoj is the Scrum Master, he will only facilitate you. He can't force you, Kapil, आज तो हो जाना चाहिए 5वां number का रास्ता. No. He will only facilitate and Kapil will say, hey, I have some problem with the 5 numbers. So I have to discuss with the product owner and how to discuss with the product owner, how to manage the time the product owner and with you, your job, means the Scrum Master's job. So Scrum Master is the guy who have totally facilitate the team with this, a Scrum team with the product owner, with the other interventions. Another work of the product owner. All the
non-technical भी हो सकता है,
huh?
with non-technical भी हो
Yes, of course, product owner might be non-technical, but nowadays,
लेकिन इस केस में अगर non-technical होगा, मान लीजिए कहीं से कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो
product owner, who? Product owner or Scrum Master?
नहीं, अगर मान लीजिए टीम मेंबर में किसी को प्रॉब्लम होता है, टीम देखिए हमको
Your team is a Scrum team is if you remember before 2 or 3 slides before, there is a values of that Scrum, and you are self-organized. Self-organized is the
self-organized means I am the responsible for doing
self-motivated also, and self-organized means also like you have the more technical knowledge. You should not have such a tendency that raise your hand. Oops, no, I don't have idea. No, you should have the idea.
It means in the Scrum team, every team member should be on the same level.
There is no any definition of another developer in the Scrum team. All are a Scrum team or a Scrum developer. All are. If like 7 to 9, there are only 3 roles. One is the a Scrum Master, another is the product owner, and all are a Scrum developer. Even the tester like QA, Asutosh is there. Asutosh is only a Scrum developer, not a QA tag. If you are the senior lead or whatever, you are only the Scrum developer, and the one fresher above is like that with you. He is also a Scrum developer. Might be possibilities. Where is the differences between the Scrum team developer and the team lead? Might be possibilities. You have the velocity good to do the job. Like you can do in a one sprint you can do 5 sprint point task or 6 sprint point task, and others can do only 1 sprint point. That is the differences might be. But there is no any role in other than these three in a Scrum. Second thing, if you have any questions like higher the technology related or the technical related queries, you have to solve within your team if there is a pure Scrum. Or you can go to the beyond of the team, like one Scrum team is here, another Scrum team is here, might be a possibility some guys is having the good knowledge, you can interconnect. But most chances a Scrum Master is not a technical, he won't be able to give you the answer. But everything in the IT, we molded all these things our choices. But more or less wherever the Scrum is working, only team leader is, suppose if he is a team leader having the good technical knowledge, he would be the Scrum Master. We have might be seen so many places there. In the G4S also following the same. I hope.
The project managers or the business analysts which are like doing the work of Scrum Master. As of
Yes.
now, what I have understood.
But a Scrum Master is not like that. A Scrum Master is having the only facilitation, having to do the facilitate with the either you with the product owner and all our team. That is a Scrum Master.
So what is the basic difference between a manager and a Scrum Master? Like, is it-
Manager is totally. I mean, if you are in a Scrum, if you are in a Scrum, there is no any manager role, to be frank. But if you are in the XP, extreme programming,
that is also agile.
that is also there. You will see there is a manager. So manager is whole and soul who is looking whole the team and the project. Maybe like business analyst, like.
The main difference we are looking here is
But we are in a Scrum, taking the knowledge of the Scrum. So that's why I'm telling you that there is no any manager. Yes, Mr.
so the main difference what we are looking here is that the manager controls the team and guides the team also. But Scrum Master is most of the times behaving like a mediator between the client and the
Yes.
Scrum
Yes.
team.
If you have any time, just go and search in a Scrum Alliance like others have seen. One of the blog is there in the master and slave between the Scrum Master and team. Scrum Master and team is the master and slave. You are the team, you are a master. And if I am a Scrum Master, I am a slave. So whatever the problem it says, yes sir, ho jayega. That is a Scrum Master role. It's a totally theory. In the practical wise, might be possibilities that the guys who is having the good knowledge, maybe he is the Scrum Master, maybe project manager is the Scrum Master, maybe the team leader is the Scrum Master. We molded, IT field molded our own facilitation. But the general things, a Scrum Master doesn't have the more knowledge in the technical side. He had the knowledge how to build the release build, burden chart, a sprint burden chart, burner chart, all these things. It will come. Later it will come, what is that chart and all these things. So that overall the Scrum Master role. Okay? Any question? The Scrum Master, yes.
Not about the Scrum Master.
Okay.
I would like to ask कि जैसे हमारे पास अलग-अलग मतलब ये आपके frameworks हो गए जैसे Scrum हो गया,
XP, Kanban,
and
XP, Kanban, DSTM and
RUB, etc. जो
Yes.
भी आपके पास आ रहे हैं. तो बेसिक मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि आज सच हमारा जो स्क्रम मास्टर है, प्रोडक्ट ओनर है, ये सारे हमारे मोल्डेड हो रहे हैं. जैसे कि कभी प्रोग्राम मैनेजर बन रहे हैं या कभी भी ये बिजनेस एनालिस्ट बन रहे हैं एंड ऑल. तो हाउ टू डिफरेंशिएट कि वो प्रोसेसिंग तो एक ही जैसी होती है और इन ऑल दी फ्रेमवर्क अजाइल को लेके. तो हम लोग डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करते हैं कि भाई ये वाली चीज इस वाली कंपनी में स्क्रम चल रहा है, इस वाली कंपनी में
Okay.
एक्सपी चल रहा है.
Like, I'm giving you one example. I just already given when I was in Malaysia, and I was looking when I was in Malaysia, and one of my friend was working on Nintex. There is a company Nintex Solutions. It's a very good company and product-based company generally used to create a product for SharePoint workflow. There you will see that they are doing the peer programming. Means you guys are doing programming with one computer. Means once time you are leading, another time others is looking your code and he will point, oh, yeah, thoda sa theek kar lo. Again the same way, after 1 hour or 2 hours, the process will be changed. So he is the leading the code and you are looking that. So the process, peer programming, XP doesn't follow. Means wherever the pair programming is going on, we can say XP. XP is going on there. But where is that not a pair programming, where is the only concept of a Scrum Master, product owner and these things? Of course there is a Scrum going on. Very rare chances, very less is that pair programming is going on in everywhere because we don't have a budget to do the pair programming. Means XP we are following only few parts and generally XP following on that area where we have the old code and we are refactoring that in the new methodology. That is the extreme programming. That's known as extreme. Another is that Crystal DSDM less user. Another one is a lean. Lean is generally used in the industrial method, like Toyota and so many companies is using the lean. No need to know about the more things. So if you are particular specific for the ACP certification, Agile Certified Practitioner, then you have to know something about the lean and XP. But most of the IT is using a Scrum, apart from some of the like Nintex is using XP and some more. Other than this, RUP, AUP, this all they are in fundamental. Generally, they are following this.
But generally, we see the code review happens in the team. So that comes inside the peer program.
Means when you are working with the XP methodology, there is no any review then. Then there is no any review methodology, because whatever you are writing, and if you are sitting with the Manoj is reviewing same time Manoj is writing the code and you are reviewing. So reviewing is doing on the same time. That's XP provide. You are not doing the pair
like here we
But in a Scrum,
coding and our lead or some other from the team reviews the code. So what methodology we can say that?
means review the code.
Yeah, code reviewing. It's one of the major practices we do.
Generally in the IT field, we are reviewing the code. Code reviewing is like in the sprint also you can do. Some of the things is missing, but you can do the code review in any part. That's not a specific practice. If you, mainly Veeam practices of the XP is the code review done by parallel. But if you are in a Scrum, you can do the code review after reviewing, or before reviewing with the customers, you can do like this. That's not a matter. Any other questions?
Any sample software we use for implementing
Jira.
Scrum? Jira and
Yes. So many. Jazz. IBM has a one software, Jazz. My one of the friend is having the software. He has actually created a software like Beyond Agile. The name of the software is something like Beyond Agile. And so many software for the Agile. So many. Like bunch of the guys is creating. I mean, I forgot the name. That's also Agile software. So you will see so many software. But main market wise, most preferable is a Jira. Nowadays, graph of the Jira is going up. Not here in India, other than India also. Like Monster suddenly changed all their graph from Jira, from the IBM to the Jira, and IBM Jazz to the Jira. Another one is the Jazz, IBM Jazz. IBM Jazz is also good software but costly. So you can use that. Whatever you maintain in the Jira is like product backlog, task backlog, sprint backlog, burden chart, everything you have to manage there.
And in MS project, what about the MS project as well? Like
MS project, I didn't see, but I think so MS project also following. But MS project generally, nowadays what they change, I don't have idea. But really, what I know about the MS project, they are following the waterfall model. But might be possibilities they are used nowadays but I don't have idea nowadays. But most cases, wherever I visited, I saw like Jira, they are using Jira, Jazz, and this thing. And there's some local. I told you, like one of my friends is very much frequent in the technology side, he created one Agile software. Beyond Agile, something new is there. Yes, Subhas, please.
ये कौन decide करता है Jira use करेंगे, DFS use करेंगे?
Depend upon your client and company. If you are from the client side and you are giving the Jira, okay, depend upon you and your client.
And Jira हो या DFS हो, सब compatible होगा Agile methodology.
TFS is Agile methodology compatible. TFS है. Like Team Foundation Server is Agile methodology also. Yeah. But totally, ये जो business related decision है ना, it's totally taken by the higher level. We are not such a people. We are only a small people. We can't do like discussion on the what we use. Once they will like say like Jazz, we can't use the Jazz. We should go to the Jira. We have to go to the Jira.
जैसे Agile methodology होगा तो उसके अंदर किसी भी status जैसे रहता है किसी भी use case status होता है तो Jira में कुछ और लिखा है तो उसको किसी और नाम से जाना जाता है.
Jira में क्या होगा ना? Once you will come to the Jira. Okay. Once you will come to the
that will make a confusion.
No. तो वो जो point है, I mean if you are using the Jira, suddenly you will come to Jira, will give you the provision that yeah, we are following the Scrum methodology. They will follow that. Like मैं बता रहा हूँ, Jira also having the dashboard. Where you can see the Scrum team. They will give you the team structure. They will give you the release burn down chart, a sprint burn down chart. So the term is that key term is the sprint burn down, release burn down. This all the chart come into the a Scrum. If you are using Jazz, IBM Jazz, the same, almost same naming convention they will also give you. If you have any confusion, they will give they will give you either handbill or they will give you either the training based upon your business requirement and the Jira agreement between the Jira and the business. That is a business, totally business related decision. Yes, a Scrum Master. Anything related to a Scrum Master. Fine. So, one more thing, a Scrum Master is very facilitated that if you have the team building related things, a Scrum Master will do. If you have the planning, if you have any meetings, whatever the like, if we have guys having the meeting, review meeting, retrospective meeting, choose the meeting room, all these things do by the Scrum Master. Now another is the product owner. You know the product owner.
So basically Scrum Master is a monitor of the class.
Again, can say monitor of the class, but if I remember on the school's time 20 years back, so I remember that the monitors might having some hard word. Arey chup baith ja tu. A Scrum Master can't say like this. A Scrum Master never say, if like Nirjar is saying something and you are the Scrum Master, you can't say, Nirjar, keep quiet and sit there. It's not none of your business. No, you can't say like this. If Nirjar is one to say, he can say.
But if we are saying
Facilitator and monitor is a different word. Facilitator is very soft. Like, yes sir, ho jayega sir.
what is real scenario like team lead is a Scrum Master, so he can say like this.
Leading again, leading, managing. This keyword is not here.
What is real?
He is really leading. He is leading means he is facilitating. He is giving environment to do the task, to do the job to create environment, to do the job with the Scrum team. You are not leading. Leading is the difference. Leading is the like team leader. Team leader is leading. Means whatever he is doing. Oh, तुम्हें problem है, come to the seat meeting. क्या कर रहा है? करना चाहिए था. You have to do the job. You have to do this. You have to do this. Or Ajit, why don't do like this? आज रात में रुका क्यों नहीं? Just can't to say like this type of things by the Scrum Master. If Ajit is not doing their task, might be possibly his problem. Once all the scenario will come, a sprint review will come, their task will be the lack of the all things. So everyone will be see, oh, their task is lack, means why? So after 2 or 3 sprints, one of the board meeting might be asked with the C comes to the meeting room and say, then he will give the clarification to the other, apart from it. Not do that like that. Totally as per the Scrum, but again depend upon the company to company. If the project manager is the Scrum Master, might be he will keep you and same day he will pick you and go to the meeting room and start asking to you. So, but he is not doing the Scrum.
Who is responsible?
Full team.
Full team.
A sprint, how the sprint failed, I will come to that point. That is the point. Yes, you were asking
It's
something.
just like a guide.
Concept, little bit.
मेरे ख्याल से अगर इसका कोई डेजिग्नेशन आप बता देंगे तो हमारी सबकी क्वेरीज जो है वो
Because we are all following the Scrum model and we are confused with the Scrum Master should be a project manager. No, a Scrum Master is the guy who is only facilitating.
So
But
actually कौन होता है वो क्या
a Scrum Master is generally who has the total knowledge of the Scrum, who can facilitate the Scrum process, who can help the new guys how to do the Scrum, how to know about the Scrum, who is managed with the product owner and you, who is having responsibility, who is having such a scenario to remove your impediments. If you have any impediments, he will with you. Like impediments means like if I have a technical problem, might be he don't have idea, but he can ask with someone in some other team. Hey, Virendra, you have something problem with this. Means I am facilitating your problem with here. So you can't directly connect with the Virendra. So Virendra will say, oh, such type of problem. Yes, I have idea. Okay, come, please inhale. That is the Scrum Master role. So facilitation means always ready to help wherever I am in there.
So that
like Vodafone का वो जो आता था प्रचार वो जो
So who will decide कि कौन Scrum Master बनेगा?
I mean, you can't decide directly that who is the Scrum Master within the team. No, it's a Scrum vision. I'm not telling how the IT mold this. IT molding is something different. Like possibilities nowadays, what I saw that who is the team leader is a Scrum Master. Might be possibilities sometimes. The project manager is the Scrum Master.
Yes,
But
sometimes business
just
knowledge
means
will
many
come.
times, not sometimes. Can say like many times. That's why we are confused. But in the Scrum scenario, a Scrum Master is the guy who is having the knowledge of the Scrum first. Not necessarily he is a certified, but yes, if he is a certified Scrum Master, it's a good. better. But he has the total knowledge of the Scrum. He has the conversation is a very good and all these things is the Scrum Master.
That means most of the IT companies are working in hybrid mode.
Of course, yes, 100% true.
Most of the IT companies have the hierarchy like leads and
Leads,
senior
team lead,
lead
manager and all these things. That is the hybrid mode. They are doing the hybrid mode.
जैसे इंडिया में एक बहुत यूएस का बंदा है ना, तो 20 साल का वो डेवलपर खुश रहता है ना। इंडिया में 5 साल का हो गया और वो डेवलपर है ना, यार मुझे एसएससी नहीं बना रहा है यार, मैं तो कंपनी चेंज करने जा रहा हूँ यार।
Yes, that is also part of it.
देखिए द मेंटालिटी ऑफ इंडियंस, तो उनको डेजिग्नेशन चाहिए, भले काम वो कोडिंग ही करना है उनको फाइनली
इंडियन मेंटालिटी नहीं है, दिस इज हाउ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री फंक्शंस। आपका पोजीशन बढ़ेगा तो आपकी सैलरी बढ़ेगी, आपका करियर भी तो इम्पोर्टेंट है।
If we will come to the outside of the India, in the job specific, if you are a software engineer, having a 20 plus of experience, designation is a software engineer, you might be get a more salary than a project manager. But here in India, you never get a more salary than the project manager.
So here salary depends on the designation.
It's India, but culture is there. We can't, don't go on that type. The topic, if that topic will start, it will another one day say something. So never go that side. Come to the again. Subhas, what?
कल्चर तो गवर्नमेंट जॉब में भी नहीं है, तो जितना सीनियर होगा उतना ज़्यादा।
Oh, that is a different topic. That is a different topic, Subhas.
नहीं, लेकिन जैसे स्क्रम में अगर काम चल रहे हैं, उसमें अलग-अलग एक्सपीरियंस के लोग एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं, और सबका डेजिग्नेशन सेम ही है,
बट पैसे अलग है। What is your pay, sir? Girini is having the 12 plus of years of experience. Of course, they have the different one. Your question was like
उस टाइप में अलग-अलग हैं, लेकिन अगर वो मतलब कुछ चेंज करता है, कुछ करता है, तो उसका जो पोजीशन है, जो डेजिग्नेशन है, वो तो वही रहेगा।
Of course, स्क्रम टीम ही होगा।
अब मैनेजर कौन डिसाइड करेगा इस केस में? मैनेजर तो है।
First of all, what is this whole scenario? This whole scenario is to develop the product, to develop the software for the client, not for you. You are creating the job, you are doing the job for the client. So who is looking you above them? Might be project manager is above them. Hold the scrum master and the scrum team. Like whole is the team. Suppose whole is the team in the doing the work on the DC photo or G4S. So we can't say like I can't say that I'm alone as scrum master and who is looking for all the team. Not possible. Means I will bifurcate 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So might be 4 persons will come. So what you need to do? You have to means apart from me, like everyone is that. Some of the project managers, some of the higher hierarchy is looking for you. Based upon that, we will give you the. Might be that project manager ask something with the Scrum Master. Might be. Not necessary. There is no any defined rule that a Scrum Master will directly involve for your appraisal and all these things. Okay.
So what I concluded is,
Yes.
whatever the hierarchy is there doesn't matter. Just when you are involved for project development in agile or Scrum methodology, you are following a rule which is in the form of like team, and for your teamwork or for your project development, the Scrum is valuable.
Yes, Scrum is totally the team based. If one of your team guys is not doing the good job, means your team is going to down. So you have to catch with our means if our is not doing the good job, if he is in fresher, so you have to catch him. Oh, why not? Come, I will teach you this thing. I will guide you. Na seek it's your problem. We have 2 type of attendance sheet. Sorry for interruptions. So you have to fulfill all both. In both. Yes.
एक क्वेश्चन और है,
Yes, 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 you can-
कोई फिक्स नंबर है कि स्क्रम टीम जो है इतने ही मेंबर्स का होना चाहिए?
Yes, a Scrum team is having the fixed number 7 plus minus 2 means 5 to 9. It's a fixed number. The guys of the company who is not following this, again, they molded their IT, Scrum things on their benefit. Yes.
Suppose there is a big project, okay?
Yes.
There is a big project, and we have divided five Scrum teams.
5 Scrum team. Yes. What is it?
We have divided 5 Scrum teams.
Okay.
And five modules are there.
Okay.
So if there is 5 modules and everyone individually working on each module.
Okay.
So who will do the integration?
Okay. Now, see here. Again, these all things will come apart, but you can come here. If there is a 5 Scrum team, means whole Scrum team, 1 Scrum team, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 Scrum team. So every Scrum team having their own Scrum Master. First of all. Because no Scrum Master like me, if I am a Scrum Master, I can't say all the 5 Scrum team. So everyone is having a Scrum Master, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, apart from this Scrum Master, one is a Super Scrum Master. Super Scrum Master or Chief Scrum Master can say like a Senior Scrum Master, whatever, again that depends upon the company, what they can say, will come as have the directly interaction with the Scrum Master. He might be possible not interact with the team member, but he will directly interact with all the 5 Scrum Master. So what? कैन से, लेकिन बस वहाँ पे जो डिमांडिंग है ना, जो डिमांड और लाइक मैनेज्ड, ये सब कोई कीवर्ड नहीं है. यू हैव टू मैनेज योरसेल्फ.
नहीं, लेकिन जैसे स्क्रम सुपर स्क्रम मास्टर है जो वो स्क्रम मास्टर से बात करेगा इंटीग्रेशन से रिलेटेड, लेकिन अगर वो टेक्निकल बंदा ही नहीं है स्क्रम मास्टर तो इंटीग्रेशन कैसे करवाएगा?
इंटीग्रेशन क्या, सर्वर इंटीग्रेशन नहीं करना है, टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेशन नहीं करना है ना,
मॉड्यूल इंटीग्रेशन
करना, उसका आइडिया होगा. इतना भी वो ऐसा थोड़ी है कि वो चना बेच रहा था वो आ गया.
उसे बिजनेस वाइज आइडिया हो सकता है.
हाँ, बिजनेस वाइज आइडिया है ना.
इंटीग्रेशन के लिए टेक्निकल नॉलेज जरूरी है.
कोई जरूरी नहीं.
तो मेरे हिसाब से वहाँ पर एक टीम और रहेगी. देयर विल बी वन मोर टीम इफ यू इन दिस केस एंड देयर विल बी मेंबर ऑफ 7 टीम. अदर देयर कैन बी एन इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टर और डेवलपर एज वेल. सीनियरिटी वाज
सपोज बिजी फोटो का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए.
ओके.
सपोज वो टीम वीडियो बना रही है,
ये टीम टोटल वीडियो, ये टीम टोटल पिक्चर.
ओके. यहाँ पे कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं
मैथ्स में, आई मैथ्स.
कुछ बना रहे हैं.
हाँ. 3 स्क्रम टीम, 3 स्क्रम मास्टर. यू आर ए चीफ स्क्रम मास्टर सपोज.
So suppose there is, but finally they are communicating with one database or one particular centralized location where the business will fulfill the whole requirement. ठीक है. अब कर दिया भाई डेवलपमेंट टीम ने कर दिया, बीच में भाई मेरा काम हो गया, मैंने कर लिया. ठीक है. उधर वीडियो ने कर दिया वो, और लेकिन आपस में एक दूसरे से सिंक नहीं है.
Okay, your question is that if the module is not synced with each other, but the totally defined is the module. There is a 3 module.
So another question including suppose we are saying we are 5 to 7 team members.
Okay.
If we are not understanding like what is going on video and what is going on web and what is going on.
Okay.
So if we are not knowing business and we are not sync with each other, then how we will like suppose after 15 days after completion of one sprint we came here and okay चलो भाई इंटीग्रेट कर लेते हैं. पता चला तूने कुछ दूसरा बना दिया भाई, तूने एक राम घाट एक रहीम घाट.
Okay. Now your questions.
So who will the person who will facilitate the like synchronization between all teams?
Now your questions. Coming on your
And
questions.
how it will happen?
Now coming on your questions. According to him, that we have a 3 or 4 module Scrum team. All a Scrum team is based upon working for the project. First of all, when you are working on the Scrum or like almost all module is independent almost time. But if your module is dependent, totally dependent, then there is the scenario with the difference. Again, we have to mold it. If you have a time, because that is a different Scrum. If you have time, go and search on YouTube, and there is a same scenario case is a Spotify. Search there in YouTube or a Spotify. Sorry. Oh. A Spotify is same scenario they are following. A Spotify is a big company, especially for the music company. Whatever they are doing, the work is dependent upon each other module. So what they did do, they creating the different Scrum team. One module might be 2 Scrum team, 3 Scrum team. That they took the one person as the head of that, lead of that whole 3 Scrum team, another lead of 3 Scrum team. Then again create one of the main lead. So the main leader contacting each other. Might be they are technical, maybe possibilities. They have the technical idea, and they are connecting each other. They know about the module. They know about their things, how to connect on all these things. That they are defined, well defined in the like there are 2 hours
I think
videos.
for this the architect is normally what I understand is in the big projects like wherever team size is 25, 30, 40 and 5, 7, 8, some teams are there. So there was, I have seen a couple of companies, there are 1, 2 architect roles. So are they facilitating that?
Architect role again come to the Scrum team. Like architect is what? You are a Scrum team having the knowledge of the architect. You will come into the Scrum team. The part of the Scrum team might be your role is the same. Role is the Scrum team only. You are doing the job is like architect. That is the different things.
No,
Basically, don't take the team as a person who are actually developers. It might be an architect.
Yes.
No,
Yes. That's why I told you. QA is Asutosh is there. Asutosh is also a Scrum team, not a QA. He will not. He don't have a tag of the QA.
So basically, one team member.
What is your question actually?
Like
actually,
role
my
of
question is,
integration as
my
well.
question is actually there should be at least one person, technical person, who will coordinate all the team members, all the Scrum team members of different modules for a single particular.
That's why I told you. That's why I told you. Have you seen the Spotify YouTube? You are connecting that the requirement is same. The requirement is there on the same time as Spotify was there. Go and just see the Spotify Scrum T video. Believe me. You will see there is the module and they define the different. There is a Scrum team, all the Scrum team. But apart from a Scrum team, they taken one more person and keep their name. I forget the name. I saw 1 year before. But that is a very good example. Even if you will come to the example of a Scrum, Spotify is the one company who followed the Agile and a Scrum and having the big revenue growth. We have those case studies on that.
So here we are saying that we are picking one member from each Scrum team and
Not taking might be some different team member. Means like apart from 9, might be the 10th team member is the like architect. Depend upon the
but we will
scenario.
need at least one member from each Scrum team so that
Yes.
we will know
Each other.
the modules.
Yes.
And create one integration team.
Yes.
Including each
Yeah.
member.
Can
from-
say if like such a big team is do you have. If you have such a big team, then yes.
Is it possible one member can work on different scrums as a team member?
No. Different scrums means like if suppose Ajit is in the team and you have the team.
Exactly.
He is working in this team and this that.
See what is happening, I have the knowledge of all the modules that are running in the
Okay.
In one module, 4 members are there. Apart from them, I am basically checking whether they all are doing their work properly and this will be integrated as well properly.
You are not power to check there.
No. I'm just
Huh.
reviewing because at last somebody has to review. So
Okay.
I am working as a team member. Similarly, for other team, I am working as a team member. Is it possible?
Okay. Means your role is not like a working as a team member. Then your role is something different than this. We have created again. We molded the scrums list like that. In that is such a big team that you are integration part of that team, and you are looking that team. But you might be 90% chances you are not working with the team.
Because
You are only looking the
see what
team
is happening?
and how they are integrated. If there is any problem, and you are integrating with some other different model team. Yes.
What is happening? Team is working day by day. Complexity
Increase.
becomes
Yes.
very-
Complexity becomes
Okay,
large.
so somebody has to take care of that. You might be a team member.
That's why I am telling the same question. You both have the same question.
Yes. What Virendra has.
Yes, that's why I told you. That's why I told you. If you have the time, I told you that there will be the one guys from the another whole the model. Not like model means like if the very big complex teams means the model wise or 2 model, 3 model, one guys would be there, one guys from there, and they will sync together. They will help to how to syncing. If someone from the another team might be need to ask, they can connect that person easily. So if you want if you want to live example, you can see the YouTube. Go to the YouTube, open YouTube, and there is a Spotify Scrum videos.
So what
How they are managing.
so what-
The same answers.
I have one more.
Yes.
Okay. In Scrum, basically the schedule is very tight. Normally the schedule is very tight.
Okay.
Okay. If everything goes fine,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
nobody is facing any issue with the business or technical matter.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Everything is going smoothly. Then
Mhm.
what exactly the Scrum Master is doing at that point of time?
That's why I trick you. A Scrum Master is again, if everything is going smooth or not, in any time, like a smooth, if your team needs any help, a Scrum Master is there to do the help, to do the facilitate. There are so many processes, like where is the process one? Yeah, daily sprint planning, review, backlog, retrospective. These all things are done by the Scrum Master. Who will be do the sprint planning? Who will be do the retrospective? Who will facilitate this thing?
अगला sprint आपके लिए-
Yes, Subhas, again say.
अगर सब कुछ सही चल रहा है पर्टिकुलर स्प्रिंट में, तो अगला स्प्रिंट आपके लिए तैयार कर दिया जाएगा।
That is
So,
right.
so what I concluded is.
Yes, yes.
What I concluded is from Scrum.
Yeah.
We are talking about one team, a single team, and how the another full project and 4-5 team and whole project and a big project. We are not talking about.
Of course, talking. That's why this picture comes into the mind.
Scrum means a self-motivated 5 plus 7, 5 to 9 team
7 plus
members.
minus 2.
7 plus minus 2 team members.
Uh-huh.
Self-organized 7 plus
Self-organized team member, motivated, high technical.
with high technical.
Yes.
With three roles.
Yes.
3 roles including in the team.
Mm-hmm.
Works individually.
Okay.
For a particular to achieving a particular goal.
Yes.
For each equation of 15
Means
data.
what I said.
Okay. Whatever.
What I said, if there is one Scrum team, you are okay. Another Scrum team, you are okay. But how they are managing, it's a depend upon the complexity of the project. How they are managing.
तो स्क्रम का मतलब वो छोटा सा यूनिट हो गया, उसके बाद का जो बात है वो अलग की बात है.
Here, if you will come again, if you will come apart from that, like nowadays the Safe Agile is coming into the picture. Safe Agile, SAFE, especially for the enterprise. 1 minute, Manoj. 1 minute. I mean, let them complete. So there is a part of the Safe Agile and all these things will come into the picture. So there is that. But apart from that, I told you, the same way, on the same Scrum team, how the Spotify is managing, putting one guys from there, and they are coming to the one big picture. All guys, they have the ideas of their team. They can connect. Yes, Manoj.
I think first we have completed all these artifacts of the
No.
and after then
Overall.
we had
So, product owner and team. So now a Scrum team, you know well. You are doing the job on the Scrum, facilitated development, who all are the Scrum team. A Scrum team, some points. Self-motivated, self-organized and self-technical, I mean high technological. Means why the high technical? Someone is not coming as a team lead and giving you the example or giving you the right steps. That's how to do the job. You should know about how to do that. Whatever the task is there, you should know. Might be cross-functional. Cross-functional means might be possible Astos needs some time and do the testing, but maybe possible Astos can do some development also. So it's a cross-functional. If he is a tester, not necessary he will do the test only. Might be possibility he can do the development also. So cross-functional knowledge should also facilitate in the Scrum team.
So that means there is no scope for a fresher joining the Scrum team.
Yes, totally a scope. If Awad is a fresher, no? Yeah, if Awad is a fresher, he will be a part of the Scrum team and his velocity would be like 1. Or like velocity means he might be used to do in the sprint, whole sprint, one sprint, he can do only one small sprint. But you guys have, or a Scrum Master, have the facilities to facilitate our how to manage our, to give the some session with the hours like this, like how I am doing. It's not my part to give the training, just my hobby to give the training, or I thought of I should give you. So just same way.
So this methodology only works in T&M mode, not in the fixed bid mode.
Fixed bid mode again based upon the clients, like service based upon Comdale and all this thing. If he can consume our with the same fixed bid.
But in fixed bid projects, mainly we see that the requirement is freezed and we don't entertain any changes in between. Because
Generally, okay, you are telling that way.
We have to entertain if client is willing to pay.
Even on that case, in the fixed bid, like whole fixed, do not come to this. Yeah, generally TNM is a very fine, but whole the fixed bid is not coming, like whole project fixed is.
But the whole fixed bid project is also runs in the Scrum. But in that case, business analyst becomes the product owner.
That's okay, but in the fixed bid, if you are in the part of the fixed bid and want to do the with the Scrum, it's based upon the release based, not the whole product. If there is a whole product of the camera, creating the camera, so fixed might be this screen, come into the different part. So it's a release part. Release is continuous integration. So whatever the release is going, that is a fixed bid, not whole the project. Yes, a Scrum team done, a Scrum master done, product owner. Daily Scrum will come later. Just go. Okay, wait, don't go. Now, leave these meetings. Meeting will come later. Now come to the product backlog. You know product backlog. Now everybody knows product backlog. A sprint burn down will come later. Release burn up. A sprint burn down and release burn up is a chart. Wait a minute. But wait, I will come to the sprint, then I will let you know. And definition of done, this all comes later. Okay. What is this? Oh, product backlog. So, according to this, the product backlog should be follow like this architecture. Like year wise, they have some model, some epics, roadmap pattern of the year. They have some idea, bit of the details of the feature in month wise, but are small and defined, estimated, and prioritized. Deep means detailed, estimated, prioritized, and E means every year. I hope so. Oh, sometimes I have forgot. Where is the product backlog? D means detailed, E means estimated, P means prioritized. One here I will let you know. Just I remember. So, if you will come here, whole is the product backlog. Suppose for a one project, might be possibilities. One epics roadmap pattern item is this. Like roadmap pattern means after 2 months, my project would be like this. So we have to roadmap items. Some feature month wise, year wise, month wise. But the sprint means next 2 or 4 sprint. Always product backlog have the detailed feature of 2 or 4, up to 2 or 4 items. 2 or 4 sprints, not items. 2 or 4 sprints, not more than 10. So the team is working on the current sprints. Product owner is doing creating the product backlog of some different other than the 3 sprints, and he is creating the backlog of the other months sprints, like how the other month's product item would be. That is here. So we have only the defined and details up to 2 or 3 sprints, not more than that. That is this triangle architecture of the product backlog. You have questions?
When the estimated, you have told that they are
Elaborate, deep, detailed, estimated, prioritized. Who is estimating?
when we do the estimates.
Generally, we do the estimates on the 2 times. One is the sprint planning and before the sprint planning. Before the sprint planning, product owner has some idea of that task and he put some estimates. But he is not doing alone, he is doing with the Scrum Master. If product owner needs on that time to sit with or he want to sit the Scrum team, he can call to the Scrum team, sit with the product owner and a Scrum Master and do the some testing, level of the testing here. But another level of the testing will come onto the sprint planning.
For this estimation, there is a time everything is time box.
Yep.
If whole Scrum team is involved in the estimation of next sprint planning with the.
It's only 1 hour time. Only 1 hour, not more than that. Only 1 hour. So 1 hour you can easily pick out. Not a big deal. Yes? Feeling good? Okay, next. Backlog grooming. How they are grooming. So again, I have defined all these things. How they are grooming. So grooming is generally done by the understanding the requirements, estimating acceptance criteria, shared understanding, place vertical slice, team and PO. So mainly who is involved in the backlog grooming is the PO, Scrum Master, team, anyone with the knowledge. Like if the product owner is doing the backlog grooming, might be possibilities that the business analyst says like business analyst here come to the picture to groom the backlog. Might be other than some of the stakeholder. A stakeholder having idea. Who is the stakeholder? Positive stakeholder, negative stakeholder? No. A stakeholder who is directly who is having directly benefit from the project. Like if
the product is made.
what?
For whom the product is made.
Yes, can say, but no. Generally, the stakeholder is those guys who is having put it their financial term and finance on their project, and based upon the project.
Financiers or investors?
Investors, financiers, but sometimes the different negative stakeholder also come into the picture. Like we have the Coca-Cola and we have the Pepsi. both are the different stakeholder. So if I have put it the money in the stake, I mean, if I am the PM, here the managerial role will come. If I am a PM of that Coca-Cola, might be I offer or I will see the negative terms of the negative stakeholder, I mean the Pepsi stakeholder, how they are managing, how they are thinking about our product. Of course, they will not think good for our product, but if they are thinking negative, it will be beneficial, we can change up to that. That is a negative stakeholder. So any type of stakeholder having the knowledge of the product will sit together and do the grooming. Timing, generally here is the timing. For 2 week sprints, 2 into 1.5 grooming. Before and during the previous of the sprints. Before the sprint started, we have to do the grooming. Yes. Any questions? Yeah.
What is the essence of acceptance and criteria?
Acceptance criteria means
Who do the acceptance and criteria?
product owner and a stakeholder. You are the product owner, and if you supposed to if you want to run your ideas, so you know that how your ideas should be work. So the product owner knows how their product should be. Who will create the acceptance
The
criteria?
acceptance is related to estimated cost or not?
No.
Of course, of course. If acceptance criteria is like that,
Criteria is made by what the item, what product backlog functionality is, and after done this item, how it looks like and how it will work. That
Okay,
is
now come.
acceptance criteria.
your question was acceptance criteria based upon the budget also.
Yeah.
Like suppose you have a one page, a student informations, you want to put two combo marks message box that after save, they will ask 2 times that, oh, you want to save and really save. So this will increase your, of course, the story point will be increased. Only if you want to click on the save button and save, a story point will be the come of that particular story. But if you want 2 more message box on that, your story point might be increased because the coder, the team who is developing might be put some extra efforts for that. So your acceptance criteria is here the 2 message box. Of course, your budget increase.
Sir, main issue
Please.
what we face while we release some project, that suppose we have the sprint plan of 2 weeks. We have a sprint of 2 weeks,
Okay.
and after 2 weeks we release the sprint. But due to any reasons, there is some feedback or issues come from the production side after that sprint is completed and released. But we have the plan of next sprint, and next sprint started from the next day.
Okay.
And the issue comes after 2 or 3 days. Then how those issues will be managed?
2 things here. Your sprint is going into the live, something come from production. Meanwhile, the same sprint is going on. Another sprint is going on. The different sprint is live. If you were in